Sesame Street. Oh, we have been waiting for you.
Oh, yeah. We have something very exciting to show you. The letter of the day.
Yep, the letter H.
Mm-hmm. There it is.
Yeah.
The letter H begins some really great words like helicopter.
Yeah,
That's a great one.
that is a good one. And hot.
Good one.
Yeah.
Good. Oh, hand. There's another one. Hand.
Yeah, and hi.
Hi.
How about hamster?
Good one.
Yeah.
Hero guy.
Yeah. And hula.
Good one. Let's see.
What was that one?
Ooh.
It sounds just like a hiccup. Hiccup. Great one, baby bear.
Ooh.
Right. You already said hiccup, but there are other H words like horseradish.
Ooh.
Baby bear, come on. We know hiccup starts with a letter H. We got that one.
Telly. I'm not demonstrating the word hiccup. I really have the hiccups. Ooh.
Oh, well, that explains your hiccuping.
Yeah, well, what am I gonna do?
It's okay, baby bear. Everybody gets the hiccups. They'll go away.
I know, but it's hard to have fun, when you got the hiccups. I want them gone now.
Well, fear not, best buddy. I know just how to stop your hiccups. This looks like a job for Telly Monster Hiccup Stopper. Hey, I'll be right back.
Yeah, please, hurry, Telly Monster, hiccup stoppo. Hurry!